What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is a brand new day because I don't know, but right now I'm at Canadian Tire picking up a few things for my car that I'm going to be working on it tomorrow. I'll see you guys in a few and I'll show you guys what I got at Canadian Tire. Peace.
2 hours later.
Yo, what's up? I'm back now, and I got a few things, and I'll show you guys like right now. And I got some things for you guys. So I got rim cleaner. I got some BHT header paint. I'm gonna be painting my exhaust just so that it's protected a little bit. And then some I don't know what this is, but it's to clean the rims car. I got some wax. So I'm heading to Rock and Wash, meeting up with the boys. Got a car wash. Rock and Wash is the shit, so that's where we're going. Fuck it, you know. Oh, sorry, I looked around. Thought someone was staring at me. Vlogging. That's pretty weird, but whatever. You know what it is. So yeah, I'm going to rock and wash right now, meet up with the bros, and car wash my car because it's dirty as fuck. It's been raining like 3 days non-stop here in Edmonton, and this bitch needs a wash. Peace.
Three hours later.
Yo, boy, made it to rock and wash. My buddy's here. He's back there washing his car. I don't know if you can see. Subie though. Ooh. Hold on, let's get that. Ooh. Damn, look at that Subie. What's up, bro? Damn! So right now we're heading to Prive car meet. Sorry I didn't film any of that rock and wash. And also I installed something for you guys, brand new. It's in the back, as you can see in this video. I'm not too sure. But I will show you how I installed it. Wow, look at that fucking truck, boy. Really? You gotta do that? Boy, fuck. Alright, well, we're driving right now. See you guys in a bit.
What's up, bro? About
Yo, what's up, bro?
The driven registration.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up?
So we're out here, Prive, little car meet, pre-driven.
Yo, we clubbing after.
Yo, we clubbing after. We fucking clubbing after, man. Who making friends with?
Owner of the driven.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Are we gonna get sponsored or what? Just kidding.
We saved you a space.
Yo, tell him to pick up his fucking phone, boy.
Yeah, we have you space.
Yo, tell him to hurry up.
Yo.
Where is he? Oh, pull up, skirt. Sean's here. My boy Sean's here. Like, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, you want to race? Yo, you wanted to race you or what?
Oh no.
So I can beat this Subie. I can beat this Subie.
He's stock.
Who's stock? What is that? What is that? Car is that?
P1.
What car is that?
P1.
570S.
McLaren? Is that McLaren?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bruh.
McLaren
I can beat that shit.
570.
Yo, I can beat that shit.
Yo, we can buy McLaren.
I'm pushing like.
You want me to buy McLaren? Fuck it, I'll buy it.
Like 1.2
Trade
mil.
my fucking board. I'll buy it.
Like 1.2
Trade
mil.
my fucking.
No.
Leaving Prive, we're gonna go to Bubble Tea right now. Real quick. Yeah, the meet was kind of small, not a lot of cars. But you know what it is. People are probably at Kingsley. Yo, you dumb? You know the park? take it easy.
Prive.
Let's go.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Shoot, bitch. Fuck you. You know how to park, bro?
You know how to park, bro? You're like angled as fuck, man.
Yeah, shut up.
You're crooked.
Yeah. You crook.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. If you guys liked it, give us a thumbs up, comment below, share it with your friends. Check out our merch store and our Instagram down in the description. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.